Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about EQ Bank cards. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's EQ Bank? Well, EQ Bank is a Canadian online bank that offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, GICs, and credit cards. And today, I'm going to be focusing on EQ Bank credit cards. So, if you're interested in learning more about EQ Bank cards, then keep on reading. What is an EQ Bank credit card? An EQ Bank credit card is a MasterCard that is issued by EQ Bank. It offers a number of features and benefits, including no annual fee, low interest rates, cashback rewards, travel insurance, extended warranty protection, purchase protection. How does an EQ Bank credit card work? EQ Bank credit cards work just like any other credit card. You can use them to make purchases online, in stores, and over the phone. You can also use them to withdraw cash from ATMs. When you make a purchase with your EQ Bank credit card, the transaction will be posted to your account. You will then be responsible for paying off the balance of your account each month. What are the benefits of using an EQ Bank credit card? There are a number of benefits to using an EQ Bank credit card. Some of the most notable benefits include no annual fee. This means that you won't have to pay any annual fee to use your EQ Bank credit card. Low interest rates. EQ Bank credit cards offer some of the lowest interest rates on the market. This means that you'll pay less interest on your debt over time. Cashback rewards. EQ Bank credit cards offer a variety of cashback rewards programs. This means that you can earn cash back on your everyday purchases. Travel insurance. EQ Bank credit cards offer travel insurance coverage. This means that you'll be protected if you experience a problem while traveling. Extended warranty protection. EQ Bank credit cards offer extended warranty protection on eligible purchases. This means that you'll be covered if your purchase breaks down within the warranty period. Purchase protection. EQ Bank credit cards offer purchase protection on eligible purchases. This means that you'll be covered if your purchase is lost, stolen, or damaged. How to apply for an EQ Bank credit card. If you're interested in applying for an EQ Bank credit card, you can do so online or by phone. To apply online, simply visit the EQ Bank website and click on the Apply for a Credit Card button. You will then be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide your employment information and your income. Once you have submitted your application, EQ Bank will review it and make a decision on whether or not to approve you for a credit card. If you are approved, your credit card will be mailed to you within a few weeks. To apply by phone, simply call EQ Bank at 1-866-525-3678. You will need to provide the same information that you would need to provide if you were applying online. What are the requirements for getting an EQ Bank credit card? In order to be eligible for an EQ Bank credit card, you must meet the following requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be a Canadian resident. You must have a valid Canadian Social Insurance Number, SIN. You must have a good credit score. EQ Bank credit cards are a great option for anyone looking for a no annual fee credit card with low interest rates and cashback rewards. If you meet the eligibility requirements, I encourage you to apply for an EQ Bank credit card today. If you have any questions about EQ Bank credit cards, please leave a comment below. I would be happy to answer any questions you have. And if you're interested in learning more about EQ Bank, please visit their website at https://www.eqbank.ca. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.